Valley County Water District has a variety of payment options. If you're making an in-person payment and are in a rush, check out our kiosk. It's quick and easy to use. To get started, tap on the screen, enter your account number or service address, verify your account information and balance due, select how you would like to pay your balance. If you're paying in cash, round off to the nearest dollar. Any remaining change will be credited on your account. Once payment is accepted, collect your receipt and enjoy the rest of your day. For more payment methods, including Pay Near Me and online bill pay, visit us at vcwd.org.